I have such a cool way and a different way for you to clean your grill. Check out my Temp-tations Beechwood Scraper. I have to tell you guys, this is amazing. So if you've never tried one of these before, this is what I love about it. Turn your grill off while it's still warm. Start scraping. Here's what you don't have to use. These brushes that actually leave bristles on the grill and also in your food are no longer a thing. When you actually use wood, what I love about it is that it actually customizes to your grill. How? Because as the more and more you use it, you'll start to see that it will burn into that beautiful beech wood. And so it's personalized to your grill. It's personalized to your grill grates, and you get your grill perfectly clean. It's got a beautiful pattern on the front and the back that's burned in, and even a little handle or a little hook for you to hang it if you want to keep it by your grill. This is the best way to clean your grill. You got to check it out.